Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Igbo with Kosi. So today's lesson is very interesting. Do you know that in Igbo, one word can have different meanings simply because of its tone? Now you know. If you pronounce the word incorrectly, you might say something differently, something totally different. Let's learn together. The first word is Ike. Ike. That is strength. Strength. When I want to say something with it, I can say o nwere ike. He or she has strength. Somebody that has strength. Ike, ike. The next one is ike. Ike. That is buttocks. Buttocks. Ọ dara ada n'ike ya means he or she fell with the bum bum, like with the buttocks. The next word is Ugwu. Ugwu. The first word we have is Ugwu. That is respect. She has respect. O nwere ugwu. O nwere ugwu. Next word we can bring out from Ugwu is Ugwu. Ugwu. That is hill. Hill. That hill is so high. Ugwu ahụ dị elu. Ọ dị elu. The next word that you can get from Ugwu is Ugwu. Ugwu. Circumcision. That is circumcision. Circumcision is this I don't know, you know circumcision now. Ugwu. Ibe nwa ugwu. Ibe nwa ugwu. The next word Ezi. The first thing we get from Ezi is Ezi. Ezi. Ezi means pig. Pig. No. The next word is outside. Ezi. Ezi. Outside or compound. Iru ezi. Like outside the compound. Another word we can get out from it is Ezi. Ezi. That is good. Something that is good. Ọ bụ ezi nwanyị. The woman is good. The next word we have here is Ube. Ube. The first one is Ube. That is pear. Pear. The next word is Ube. Ube. That is pear or arrow. Then another word is Ube. Ube. That is cry. Ube nwanne. Cry of a sibling. Cry. We have here. The next word we have here is akwa. Akwa also means cry. Akwa, cry. Then the next one we get out from aqua is aqua. Aqua. Aqua is clothes. Clothes. Clothes is aqua. O nwere aqua. He or she has clothes. Aqua. Aqua. The next word we have here is Chia. 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 The first word we have from Chia is rule or govern. Chia, rule or govern. The next word is Chia. Chia, push. Chia, madam, chia nwa gị. Madam, push your baby. Push your baby. Then another word is Chia. Chia. When someone is say laugh or smile. Chia. Ọ chịrị ọchị. Ọ chịrị ọchị. Chia. Can you hear the difference? Can you hear the difference? In Igbo, changing the tone of word can completely change the meaning. Totally. Totally. Once you say it incorrectly, you mean something else. That is just it in Igbo. So we work with tone and sound in Igbo language. Everything works with tone and sound. Someone can just come out and speak Igbo, but the two, you will start laughing. That is how it works in Igbo language. Which pair surprised you the most? Which pair surprised you the most? Download for learning with me. See you in my next lesson. Cordino. Bye.